Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel.
In this video, we are going to be talking about the ochos, the lead, how we use the embrace, how we use the point of connection. It'll be very, very interesting. So this video is part of a new series that we also have it in Spanish. So if you would like to also see it in Spanish and practice your Spanish for when you go to Argentina, you can do so.
Before we start the class, remember to subscribe and like with notifications.
Now, without further ado, let's jump into the dance floor.
Okay, welcome. So we are now on the dance floor and we want to show you Ochos technique. We are going to start with backward ochos, right?
Yes, absolutely. So let us show you first the first step that we are going to be using. Side step. We are going to rotate to initiate into the backward ochos. I'm keeping in mind that I'm respecting her axis while I'm leading the rotation. Side step. Now on his right side, left for her, we are going to finish the ocho close to go to the resolution. Front, side, and feet together.
Good, let's show you this in separate positions. So I can do it for followers and he can do it for leaders.
Follow us.
So starting again now for the leaders.
So we change body weight to our right leg to start up, and we are going to do this. Side step one. Leaders, change body weight, and as you change body weight to your right, pull with your left shoulder blade. From here, side step, lifting here, and we are going to, once she arrives to her axis, we are going to pull with our right shoulder blade to rotate her. Make sure she's in axis. Another side step, pull for her to rotate, feet together. If you notice, we are transferring to the left. Every time we pull, we feet together, tuck. Yes, ankles together, almost like ankles kissing, tuck. And from here, the last one, which is towards our right. And we are going to lift her. I'm going to grow taller from my right leg and do a little tiny rotation to my left. Not as much as a regular ocho, but from here we change body weight and we walk outside of her line. So we walk with the right outside, passing by feet together and a little rotation with your left shoulder to go to a resolution. Front, side, and feet together, which is the cierre as we saw in the previous episode.
Good, let's do it for the followers. Same move, so I'm going to start with the side step with my right. And I'll feel the lead on the upper body, so be flexible with the upper body and then pivot the hips. So I make the back ocho with the left. Transfer body weight, getting 2 feet together, I feel the lead on my right side. So very flexible to do upper body first and then move the hips. To go back with the right, upper body and then the hips. One more time. Ochos, be sure to get to the axis at first before the rotation. So we are going to get to the axis and then pivot. And one more time, going back. This is the last one. The angle is a little more straight because now we go into the resolution. So going back with the left, feet together, back with the right, side and collect. Waiting for next step. Okay, let's explain this a little more. So we go inside. Feel the lead for the followers and then rotate, pivot your hips. I'm using ball of the foot, not using the heel. And I'm waiting for him to lead to unwind my hips. So we're doing the ochos on feet together, pivoting. I feel how he's pulling. This is the last one. He will embrace. And from here going to resolution. We have one step back. And resolution, cierre, back, side, and collect.
Now for the leader, when we are doing this step, if you notice, we are doing this. Side step one, I'm pulling with my left shoulder blade to rotate her, and I will remain in my axis. So for that, I have to keep my hand sliding a little bit back so she can remain in axis. Side step. Here's the same thing. I will pull back with my right, holding her axis. Make sure you don't pull towards you. Side step. One. Lifting. My rib cage is up. Pulling with the right shoulder blade. One thing also that I'm doing here, I'm pulling, but at the same time, I feel that my rib cage is surrounding her rather than staying back. Ocho. From here, lift and a little less rotation. We change body weight to the left and we walk outside. Slow and resolution, front, side, and feet together. Now, I'm doing the resolution kind of facing the same place, but if you notice in the previous video, we also checked how to rotate this resolution.
Wait a minute, we have to tell you something. Please check our videos on our Tango School online.
You can find all the information at miriamleonardotango.com, and it is called Online Tango Training, where we dive very much in depth in every single topic with exercises, figures, you name it. You will have everything there. Remember to check that out, miriamleonardotango.com.
And now let's go back to the video.
All right, now we are going to go to the front ochos. So let us show you how this works. And we are going to take it right away to the front ocho. So I'm rotating her and we are going to do 3 ochos. Ocho, pulling, keeping her axis, pulling, keeping her axis, lifting, changing body weight to the right for the leader, lowering, and we can resolve with rotation or without.
Good, let's show you that again. Let's separate the position so you can explain for leaders and then I will do it for followers.
So we are going to do this. We change body weight to the right just to start up with the front ocho directly. So we pull with the right shoulder for her to rotate in axis. First, side step. Make sure she arrives to her axis in order for us to pull with the left so she pivots. And then from here, side step. She arrives to her axis and then we can pull with the right shoulder blade. This is the last one, side step, lifting, growing taller, re-embracing. We change body weight to the right and we proceed to the resolution, which is left, side, and feet together.
Great, let's do it now for the followers. Keep your body weight on your right. You're going to start doing the ocho with your left. So we feel the lead, we are going to pivot the hips, but not the torso. Torso is facing front. When he lowers, we send the leg, and this is the first ocho with your left leg. From the upper body, you feel the lead, be flexible to pivot on feet together, and send the leg for the second ocho. Front, now my right side is going to move first, and then the hips, and then the pivot to the last front ocho with the left. In this moment, he will align on the line of dance, so we are not pivoting much, and going from here to resolution, back with the right, side with the left, collect, and wait for the next one.
All right, so now we are going to see a few details here, and let us show you with the step directly. We are doing a little rotation just to start up, and we are going to do 3 ochos. Let us show you. 1, make sure she's in axis, pull, side step, pull with the right shoulder. Remember that in the previous exercise we did backward ochos, and we end up, in order to exit from these ochos, the last one was on his right, left for her. Now this one, which is the front ocho, we are going to do the last one towards his left or her right. So that way, when we lift, this leg of her is free of weight. And we are ready to go directly to resolution. So leaders, staying up, change your body weight, and we lower. If you notice, I'm lowering to send her leg first, and then we proceed to the resolutions once we have a space.
Okay, why we don't mix both? Back ocho and front ocho so they can do a little practice?
Yes.
Side step. So we have back ocho from the side. 1 and 2, feet together, going to the front, 1 and 2. Last one, going to resolution, lifting, collecting, waiting, adjusting to back step, side, and resolve.
Now let us show you from this side how it looks, so you can also see the arm, how it slides on her back. So we do side step, first backward ocho, sliding the arm, second backward ocho, we bounce back to the front ocho, the last one towards his left, re-embrace as we were mentioning, lift, change body weight, and resolution, front, side, and feet together with rotation or without.
Great. Now next is slow motion with all the details and mixing the figures, so you can follow us and work on that. Good work.
If you are still here, thank you very, very much.
Remember, this video is also in Spanish and Espanol. So in case you like to go to Argentina, you can train not only in tango, but on your Castellano. So thank you so much and see you on the next one.
Bye.